Okay, guys, this is Farid Premani. Hope you all are doing well. So, let's analyze this thing I was looking out, and I'm trying to give a short signal because I feel, based on analysis, this looks like it's quite many kind of bounces you see on this trend line, right? There are different ways of making different trend lines. Some makes it like here, you start from this point and exactly you feel okay, we can, let's remove everything. So this is gold, and this is, you can make line like this. Okay, and you try to see how many times it has bounced. Let's say this is one bounce, big bounce. Okay, then this was one higher high, this was second higher high. Okay, this was third higher high. But then the important most thing you see is it should bounce back. Okay, and it should have been bounced back here as well if it is a relevant support. So I'm adjusting it here. Now you try to recalculate higher highs. Okay, this was first higher high, so this is null void because this was first one. Now the second one is here. Okay, third one is here, fourth one is here. After higher highs, it came, it bounced back. Do you see any other trend lines you can make? Can you try to rejoin this? Does it make sense? No. Does this make sense? No. Does this make sense? It can show that it's perpendicular, and it shows another good thing, that the first higher high and the second higher high is also cutting off this point, which means that this will go down from here. Is there any third line that you can see? Maybe you can connect the smaller lines. Okay, is there anything like this that you see? It was a bounce back that confirms that yes, this is the right entry point. At least trend line is supported by two blocks. So if this is one, this is second, we would say okay, wow. So you see there are three confluences. Okay, and I also get into the angle, 6.44 angle, 1.78 angle, 16 angles. If you add all the angles, it's less than 90-degree. So that's why many people say, and still after all these things we sometimes lose, and then we enter with Fibonacci, and we see that it has actually, we have missed the point. We should have entered it here, and this was perfectly going to the green zone, and it might fall here, but we will still take a trade because on overall analysis we feel gold is supposedly going down. It's been up for a while, and the same way we see it is waiting for some news to take action. You see, this is the same way we made the trend line, that it should have supported and bounced as well. So it has bounced here. This means it will fall in a longer run. And if it falls in a longer run, again, are we doing any endorsements, any trend lines? We feel that okay, can they suggest that the downturn has started? So this is one, this is two bounce. There needs to be one more bounce. This is less. We need more confluence. If we take this angle, this shows it's a good bounce, but it is giving us a second bounce level. It should give us first bounce level, otherwise it's not the right bounce. So let's try to see another geometry. This is very difficult because, as we say, it's an art, and sometimes you can play with the lines. When you play with the lines, uh, it starts making sense for you. Some people, like, charts are very good, but lines are where you see the perfect geometry in place. Okay, this looks very good, and you see how one, two, three, four, and you see it actually bounced back here, which is a sign of it can enter into a bull state. So this is gold showing this